guys! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is frog's legs, cooked in a honey and a garlic sauce. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: frog's legs, cooking oil, garlic, honey, butter, salt, and ground black pepper. Now, let's start cooking by heating oil in the pan. We preheated oil in the pan to stop the butter from burning. Now we can add the butter. Let it melt. Bit there. Now the butter is melted, we can add the honey. Cook a bit the remaining honey. Give it a stir. And now we can add the garlic. Give it a stir. Now we can start adding the frog's legs. Now the frog legs are in. Simmer in a low heat for 5 minutes. While we're simmering, just baste the frog's legs with some sauce. Oh, lovely. You can really smell the garlic and honey. After 5 minutes, flip them over to cook the other side. Wow, look at that. Turn brown. Now cover and simmer. After 5 minutes, season with salt, pinch of salt, and pinch of ground black pepper. Give it a stir. Frog legs is now ready. Serve with rice or some bread to soak up that lovely garlic butter. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.